using different ingredients that I got reduced and things like that. Oh yeah, very nice looking, isn't it? Very good. On Stephanie's last day at home. Oh, this is our last lunch. Look at home, Stephanie.
Oh, Stephanie.
A photocopy or reproduction of a page from the Yorkshire Post, and we're just talking all about water at Leeds. I think different areas of working, waterless washing machines, and anyway, yeah, different things. And then this one here was about Sustainable Uplands Project. There's no whole article about that. What's on the top of it? Are there other things? This seems to be the same thing, yeah. That's those. What's this one? This one is an article about, yeah, water again, floods. So, Joseph Holden, just giving quotes and things. Seems like I said a lot. This is one here, an article which is from 2019. It's got my picture in it. Plenty of quotes as well from me about moorland burning. And then there's this is the Royal Geographical Society annual report 2002, and it's got my photograph in it there from Moor House doing a radar thing with Maria Vilas from Spain. I've just got a small grant to help with that work. There's an article this is when I did the work at Bramham Park, and it's got the photographs of the surveys and things like that, and my pictures in there, look. About the history of it and what we're doing. And there's another one here, it's about teaching. It's like a teaching bulletin, and it's got some of the things I've been doing with the students when I created a field trip teaching pack, so it's for school teachers about what they could do in Wharfdale. One says that I did an article about York's subsidence and the archaeology there, and the Guardian had reported about it as well. Oh yeah. So that's like, when's the date of that? That's 2004. That one, March 2004. This one's from 2008. And an article there about water at Leeds, different things. This one says that I won a Philip Levy-Hume Prize, £70,000. So that was, when was that? 2007. That one. Articles about our research. Martin Wainwright in The Guardian. The particular one is from the Yorkshire Post magazine on a Saturday, 1st of July 2016. It's a big article all about the moorlands and all that. And then I'm in here somewhere, where am I? There we go, we're talking about natural pipes and all that, piping, grip blocking, burning, all that sort of stuff. So it's like a whole spread about it. That's that thing, that photograph of the Bramham Park and all that. This is the Times from 9th of June 2005, and in the Weather Eye, Paul Simons reports on some of my work. So it says here, one survey estimated that many more tornadoes go unreported, because the true quote would be around 100 each year in the UK. So that was actually a research paper that I had written. That's what's been reported on there. And actually, it also, that work got cited by a TV programme called QI, quite interesting, in which the question was about tornadoes in the UK and how many there are and all that sort of stuff. So my work was actually cited on that TV programme as well. This is 2008, 23rd of April. from the Aberdeen Press and Journal, and it's about peatland wind farms. And apparently it says that internationally acclaimed researcher Joseph Holden of Leeds University said wind farm blah 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 blah. Oh yeah. So I think that's the result of the, when we went to Brussels, I showed you that the other day, the Brussels, this event, and we're presenting about the impact of wind farms on peatlands. So that's what that was about, that reporting about that Brussels event. This particular one is an article all about the helm wind that flows from the Eden Valley up towards Moor House in Cumbria. And it's in the New Scientist magazine in May 2005. So it's like an article all about Gordon Manley and all that, but towards the end of the article, it mentions me and says that recently I've worked to look at the climate change at the station, weather stations that have been at the site. So, yeah, that one. Lots of coverage here about my work on tornadoes. So this is in the Independent 2004, and it's reporting about the work we did. So the whole article is based on the report that we've written there. Similarly, this one here is in the Yorkshire Post, and again covers all about our article. So yes, another one about floods in York and the sinking ground and the archaeology and stuff where I mentioned. That's on that work. And so that was Yorkshire Post, but also in the Guardian. Martin Wainwright wrote about it as well. It's in there. And then there was a whole set of articles about the Bramham Park work we did. This was Telegraph, and of course it's got the owners, you know, there with different photographs, but it's all about our project there. And then another one, this was the, which paper was this? This is, I think, that might be Yorkshire Post, that one. But article all about that. And then this one is in Yorkshire Gazette and Herald. Full article about it. There's also brief stuff in papers from Cardiff and Aberdeen, things like that. And then here in the Guardian, it was covered as well. They've got quite a different type of photograph, a reflection in the water. So, yeah. Yeah. And then, of course, there was also a whole pile of footage in front page, even, of some of the broadsheet newspapers about our work we did on the Chelsea Flower Show when we won a gold medal. But I think they're in a separate box. I'll dig them out at some point.